Can you see that? Can you?
Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you on how I'm going to be installing this wig. But a disclaimer, first of all, this wig it's glueless, but today I just want to use glue because I want it to last long till tomorrow. I don't want to be like, I don't want to remove it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I don't want to remove it tomorrow, yeah. If that makes sense, yeah. But nevertheless, it's glueless. You can just wear it, remove it at night, wear it in the morning. And it's a T part. It's a T closure. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks inside. So, and this is how it looks. So this is one of my collections from Aisha Narikxa wigs. Yep. So before I do anything else, let me first apply some powder foundation here and let it dry as we prep everything. I'm going to apply powder, yeah, and I think I'll most probably apply this shade. I'm just going to use my makeup brush and go in so that I don't want it to look like that plain inside. So that's why I'm applying this on. You can also apply your foundation, concealer, depending with what you want. Sometimes I always apply like a foundation, but today I've decided let me just apply powder. So I'm done applying, and this is how it looks inside, yeah. So if you don't have that lace tint, and before I forget, please kindly bear with the background noise, okay? So if you don't have a lace tint, you can also use your foundation, your powder, or your concealer. For today I've decided to just use my powder. So right now I'm going just to comb my hair at the back, and I want to put this black stocking, yeah. On a normal day I wouldn't put stocking, I would just leave it like that, but today I'm putting it because I don't want that like powder to transfer on my hair, and my hair is clean. So that's why I'm putting this. So the next thing, another disclaimer, I am not a pro at installing wigs. Actually, this is my second time like trying and all that, but this is actually second time trying like everything with you guys. So let's see how it will turn out. Hopefully it turns out well, okay? You see guys, when I told you it's glueless, this is what I meant. It's totally glueless. Like there's no need for you can just cut this and you're good to go. Also, there's no need for you to put glue or anything, but today we're going to put some. And the good thing with this wig, you can also wear it at the side like that, but today I just prefer like wearing it at the middle. Yeah. So I want to take this at the back so that they don't disturb me as I do what I'm supposed to be doing, and get my hairband. Just tie it at the back. I'm going to clean here first so that we don't leave some residues. After that, for the installation, I'm using this soft and free spritz. Yeah, so this is what I used the other time to like install. So the bad thing with spritz, it runs around your face. I think it's dry now, so let me cut this lace. Ooh. This is the part that I hate. I'm actually trying a tutorial that I saw. Yeah. So let me apply here because I can see it was lifted up. Grab this brand. I'm going to let it dry first, then I remove. Guys, if you've ever installed a wig, how was your experience like the first time? And are you a person who likes glueless wigs, or the wigs that you use glue? Which one do you prefer, the glueless one or the glue one, the glue wig one? I personally, I think I prefer the glueless one now. Yeah, because I can just come home, remove it, throw it, toss it aside, do my thing, wake up in the morning, put it on. Yeah, because I always feel like this is kind of a lot of work for me. But anyway, I think it's because I'm not a pro at that, but by the moment I be a pro to be chap, it's just like makeup. I used to be like, makeup, it's a lot of work, but these days it's like within some few minutes I am done and I look good. But it's just consistency, practicing, because you know, when you practice, be consistent, you perfect your skills, and now that's what I'm trying to do. So I want it to dry quickly. Let me use this. Oh my god, oh my god, can you see that? Can you see that? Ooh. Hey, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Now let me cut those baby hair. Yeah, we see. I'll be using this. I love this thing a lot. So let me cut it. So I'm using this olive wrap mousse. Now let me tie this again. I was busy doing my makeup because I'm actually going somewhere. That's why I'm doing things quite fast. Now, but let's see how the baby hairs have turned out. I love it. So it has remained. I just do some cleanup, then makeup. But the lace, it looks good. It looks good, guys. Let me now apply my makeup real quick, then we continue. So I am done with the makeup, guys, and I'll be applying this serum, Doise serum. So guys, I'm done. So guys, I am finally done. How did it turn out? Just look, I love it. It turned out well, good. I'm so excited. So anyway, if you've come this far, please consider to subscribe and hit that notification button, so just in case your girl gets to upload a new video, you get notified. Hope you enjoyed this video, not a vlog, this video. See you on my next one.